I got a new client. They have two companies, and they are dealing in commercial or B2B segment. So the company they're dealing in, like, it's a security guard company, and second one is commercial cleaning company. So they want B2B or leads for both of these companies. They don't accept like residentials too.
Hmm. Then what's the problem statement? Yeah. Next.
Okay, so right now I don't understand. Like I ran ad earlier for them, but most of the time, like I ran ad for the cleaning company, but most of the time I was getting like residential client, and I was getting job seekers. So job seekers were inquiring about that, do they have job, like do we have jobs or not, or residential people. We haven't got like any B2B leads for them. And for security guard company, like I'm just damn sure that this will gonna happen same thing with security guard company. So that's why I haven't
What's the
ran
geography
any
you're
ad.
targeting?
It's Edmonton, Canada.
Have you checked at placements where you are where you are running the ads?
Yeah, like it was Advantage plus campaign.
Okay,
So yeah.
okay. In placements, try to just focus on. So the problem statement is basically you want to block people who are residential, okay, and job seeker,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Like we ran ad like probably 8 to 9 months before. So as of now, I don't know. Like, and that campaign was different, and I don't have an access of that too. So just consider it as a new completely.
Okay, so the best way to do so is, okay,
Yeah. Mhm.
on the form, okay, in the form, either of do either of those things, or maybe do both the things, okay.
Okay.
Ask, are you a residential, okay, or are you seeking for a job? If they say yes to any of those, in the form,
Mhm.
put a blocker that they can't move forward, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Second thing that you have to do is, okay, so first one is blocker,
Hmm.
okay. Second one is ask for the company, okay, what's your company name,
Okay.
okay, and like what is their designation and all those things, like company name,
Hmm.
designation, and address and all, okay, so basically company details. As soon as you do so and you make them fill it, you would realize that a lot less people who are residential and job seeker will come over there. That's the easiest way to do it.
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also, understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay, we'll just tell you what's wrong with your account, and if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.